What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete or edit the duplicate shortcode content on Elementor. Now some reasons why this might be happening is a faulty plugin or a plugin that conflicts with Elementor. So go ahead to the plugins and select installed plugins. And you might want to disable all the plugins except for Elementor, and then enable them again one by one, making sure each one you enable that there is no duplicate shortcodes. Now another thing is to edit the file here in the appearance. So go to appearance, click on theme file editor, and if you've added a custom code, here is the code for the theme. My current theme is Astra. And if you've added a custom code, you can go ahead here, review it, and edit it here in order to remove the duplicates, and then update file. Now, another thing that might help is to go here and in the templates, go to the theme builder, and then check the condition for each template that you have.